Computer hardware components. A computer system consists of two major elements, hardware and software. Computer hardware is the collection of all the parts you can physically touch. Software is a set of instructions for a computer to perform a specific operations. You need both hardware and software for a computer system to work. Types of hardware are either external, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, etc. or internal, CPU, motherboard, drive, sound card, video card, etc. External hardware. External hardware describes a hardware device that is installed outside of the computer. Input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Output devices: printer, monitor, etc. Secondary storage devices: external hard drive, pen drive, etc. Drives and ports: modem. Input devices: keyboard. Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It looks just like a typewriter. Most of the keyboards have around 104 keys. The keys present on the keyboard can be grouped as numeric keys, alphabet keys, function keys, special keys, enter keys, escape keys, etc. Mouse. It is a pointing device which is used to control the movement of the cursor on the screen. It is also used for selecting and opening the programs, files and folders, making drawings, and for various other purposes. When we scroll the mouse on the mousepad, the cursor moves on the screen along with its movement. The terms clicked, dragged, and drop describe the action of the mouse. Scanner. Scanner is an input device. It scans images and text and sends them to the computer. A scanner works just like a photocopy machine. Output devices. Monitor. It is the screen of the computer. It displays the data that we input and the result or the processed output. Whatever text is entered, either using the keyboard or graphics drawn by mouse or the scanned images, all appeared on the screen of monitor. Printer. Printer gives the output in printed format. The printed output is called the hard copy. The printer can be either black and white printer or colored printer. Secondary storage devices. External hard drive. An external hard drive is a portable storage device which is attached to a computer through a USB or FireWire connection or wirelessly. External hard drive typically have higher storage capacity and are often used to take backup of computer and serve as a network drive, flash drive or pen drive. It is like a small pen that can be carried in the pocket. Its capacity is to store data much more than CD, DVD or hard disk. The data is transferred and stored through the USB port on the CPU. Modern flash drive can store up to 32 GB data. The newer technology USB 3, also called USB OTG, enables data transfer at a much faster speed, ranging to 640 Mbps. Drives and ports, modem, CD, compact disc drive. This device is used to read the content of a CD. DVD, digital versatile disc drive. This device is used to read the content of a DVD. USB, universal serial bus port. This device is used to connect a pen or a flash drive or any USB device. No more. The additional devices that can be connected to the computer to perform a specific task are known as peripheral devices. Modem. Modem stands for modulator demodulator. It is an electronic device that allows computer to exchange information over telephone or ISDN line. The word modem is derived from a combination of the words modulator that change digital signals into analog signal and demodulator to convert an analog signal to a digital signal at the receiving computer.